Well, have you ever seen a furnace this old? Day and Night Manufacturing Co. Well, the pilot wouldn't light, and here's why. There's a button on the front you push, and it's supposed to let that plunger come up so you can get a pilot flame. But it's stuck. And I fixed so many of these, I know exactly what to do. Spray a little WD-40 or anything in there, kind of blast all that nastiness out at the same time. Then we'll just use a pick or a small screwdriver to get that valve to move like it's supposed to. Well, this was maybe the easiest one I've ever done. Didn't take much at all to free that one up. And you can see the valve operating there. Okay, all put back together. Let's see if we can get a pilot going here. Ooh. Looky there. A couple in there a little bit better. Yeah. Well, and the pilot flames are usually enormous because somebody cranks these screws down thinking, well, maybe if I adjust the pilot better, we'll finally get some gas. And of course that doesn't work. And then when you do get it on, you've got enough to boil a pot of coffee just from the pilot. Well, we're holding a pilot. Let's see if we get a flame. And yeah, I'm standing way back because these 1,000-year-old furnaces, they take a minute for everything to work, but they give you a pretty good poof when they go. On the gas valve, this plunger is what moves to allow the gas to the burners. There's a 20-volt relay that was originally attached to these, which isn't available anymore. So a 24-volt relay is installed. And when you get your call to heat, this heating element heats up and that plunger moves to allow gas to your burners. And that's why it takes a second to happen. Well, let's see, they may not have the thermostat set correctly upstairs. So we're just going to use the old handy jumper wire there. Let's see if we can get some action here. That's not good. Well, we may still have some work to do. Well, both sides are burning, but looks like we need a little cleanup on aisle 2. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed that. These furnaces are over 50 years old. The apartment complex has been taken over by new management, and I'm trying to help them out, and they're getting all these replaced. They're over 50 years old. If you mess with one of these because you don't have heat and you really need heat, please make sure that you do a leak check. I use the soapy water solution and an electronic sniffer to make sure there's no gas leaks after they've been worked on. And any house that has one of these should have a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide alarm, and they should be getting replaced very soon. Have a great day.